I'll be at the house trying to chill right now, getting sober off the alcohol and pills right now. On the mic, I've been sharpening my skills right now, just in case I gotta pick it up and kill right now. I'm rapping like before I had a deal right now. I'm hungry like I never had a meal right now. Got the blues getting green like it's teal right now. Can't get out the game like I'm Jordan Peele right now. And I'm chilling with LP. My shirt's Fred Perry and my underwear LV. My mind's all Gucci and my body is healthy. On this mission to the money, Big Mike, let's get wealthy.
Sounds good.
And I'm in Cleveland right next to where hell be. With the telescope, they couldn't see me. I'm stealthy. Mainstream sellout, but can't nobody sell me. I made it out myself. Couldn't nobody help me.